Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day today. Today is 8th of October, Blessing Friday 2021. As always, I would like to show you how I analyze market and help my traders to bank amazing profit through live intraday analysis and the best trade of the day. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys how I did today. If you don't want to miss my latest analysis update review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into the three major currency pair, EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. If you look at the EURUSD, let me share with you guys the 4-hour chart. As you have seen yesterday from yesterday analysis, we were long on EURUSD, as that's what I explained to my trader. If the price failed to maintain below this level, then probably going to be looking a long trade here, and we had it. Let me share with you guys the intraday analysis, how I help my traders to refine the entries and exit. Okay, so this is the analysis from yesterday. If you haven't seen it, link is given in the video description. And as I said to you yesterday, some of the traders still holding long, they're still holding long, and they're really enjoying it. Today morning, as I explained to my trader, price developed another symmetric triangle pattern, and let's see if the price is going to respect this level. Then possibility of long here, but the most safest trade would be breakout of this trend resistance line. As you can see here, price nicely respected. We had this long trade here as soon as the price hit to the 200 EMA, and that's what I explained to my trader. It's time to bank some profit, and let's wait for the NFP news. Let's see what sort of market is going to react. And as always, based on the price action, we have this breakout, and after the breakout pullback, and after this breakout we're expecting another pullback. That's what I explained in my analysis. And most of the traders, they're still holding long on pound euro USD based on the momentum, based on the price action. Beautiful long trade here, and still, if you can see it, price still going up, and this was a beautiful trade, and most of the traders still holding long on euro USD. We'll let you know next week guys, but we had a beautiful trades, small trades on euro USD, but we managed beautiful PPs. Okay, pound dollar. If you look at the pound dollars in 4 hour from yesterday, we had a beautiful long here. Today we had a counter short trade here, and now we are long, and we had a counter short trade London morning and the New York session. Now most of the traders are still holding long, and let me share with you guys intraday analysis, how I analyze and help my traders. If you look at this London morning session, yesterday we were long, and as soon as the price broken this previous low, and that's what I explained to my trader, wait for the pullback, and you can see here price nicely retest. The safest trade I explained to my trader, let's wait for the price to break this level. As soon as the price broken and hit the 200 EMA, once the price was developing double bottom, and that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit, and let's wait for another price action. Technically, I explained to my trader, let's wait for the NFP news. At that time, after the news, as always, we are intraday trader, and as you can see here, price nicely, this is the recent high, this is the recent low, price broken. We taken a short trade here. As soon as you can see here, price hit to the first target, and that's what we explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit, and let's wait for the pullback. If not, then breakout. So that's what we did. Once we banked some profit, and that's what I explained to my trader, I did another analysis. We had this breakout, so we're looking at pullback because we can see the weaknesses on the dollar, and that's what we explained to my trader, look for this breakout, recent high which is previously broken, and here, and that's what I explained to my trader, look for this breakout. That they have taken this breakout. Even you can see here, this was the beautiful breakout, and they're still holding long. And even if you look at the 4-hour chart, we're still looking bearish rejection, and most of the traders still enjoying it. But I finished my trading day 4 o'clock. I'm looking forward to a relaxing weekend guys, but most of the traders, they are still enjoying it. As you can see here, beautiful breakout after the breakout. Even now pullback is long, is performing after this one. So we'll let you know next on Monday, but I'm done bank beautiful pips on, especially on dollar CAD and pound yen. All right, so let's move on to the dollar CAD. If you look at the dollar CAD, as always, we had a beautiful short trade this morning, this breakout, and bank beautiful pips, beautiful pips. Let me share with you, even the news supported as well. News was good for the CAD, and that's why we have seen such a nice big beautiful move. If you look at this is the analysis. Okay, so this is the analysis I did at the London morning session. Explained to my trader, look for this breakout sideways market. As you can see here, price nicely broken. We've taken a trade just before the news release. At this level, news release and also supported, and that's what I explained to my trader, just keep taking a pullback. Once the price was developing a double bottom, explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit and let's wait for another pullback, deep pullback, as you can see. And then of course I updated that analysis instantly, explained to my trader, look for this pullback. So we had this pullback and we have taken another short trade, bank some profit. Once the price developed this pattern, and the most of the trader was thinking more likely is going to shoot up, and that's what I help my traders to, you know, giving them refine though that analysis. Again, I explained to don't enter if the price is going to stay with this symmetric triangle pattern, because my job is to help them, give them confidence, not to basically making emotional decisions. We have to make a valid technical, you know, logical decisions. That's my job, to help my traders. And that's what I explained to my trader. Looks, if you look at the price develop a double top here, and if the price gonna break and look this triangle pattern, then you should be taking it. Most of the traders have taken the short trade here. As you can see here, a red fib channel, that's our final target, and that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoying pipping. So we had amazing trades on dollar CAD. We also had a beautiful trade on pound yen, all the yen pair. We had amazing trades. Let me share with you guys the pound yen quickly. As you can see here, from yesterday we were long. Let me share with you the intraday analysis. We are beautiful. Okay, so from last night you can see here, this is the Asian session analysis. I explained to my trader, yen is getting weaker, so make sure take maximum benefit. So we had a beautiful long on pound yen, euro yen, and dollar yen. So this was the beautiful breakout. As soon as the price hit, explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit. And at the London morning session, as you can see here, explained to my trader, price develop another triangle pattern, momentum still bullish. We had another breakout, another pullback, another breakout. As soon as price, again you can see here, as soon as the price hit to the green fib channel, that's what we explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit. And if you look at here at the New York session, explain to my trader, look for this breakout. As you can see here, price broken, more confirmation, this breakout after the breakout pullback, beautiful long trade here, price again hitting to the green fib channel. That's what we explained to bank some profit. And some of the traders are still holding long on pound yen trade, and if you look at here, still holding it. And if you look at the 4 hour, we have a very strong, and that's what I explained to my trader, at this level. If you look at this candle we had, that's what I explained to my trader, that last night we had a very, you know, bullish engulfing candle. That's the good sign, more likely price going to shoot up, and that's why we have it. And beautiful long trade. Most of the yen pair, even if you look at the dollar yen, we had such a beautiful breakout. Even now we just did analysis at the New York session. This is the analysis you can see here. Based on that, this breakout was performed. Most of the traders, they're really enjoying it, dollar yen, and banking beautiful pips. If you look at the other analysis, we are long. You can see here, this is the analysis from yesterday, beautiful breakout long. This morning we had, this afternoon we have another beautiful long and still going up, you can see it. But I finished my day, bank beautiful pips. I'm more than happy what I've made it today. All right guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis, and if you would like to, you know, enjoying this analysis, you should watch those analyses in real time and banking profit in real time. The most important thing is you will get support in live with the live markets. If you are confused with the analysis, or if you don't know the market direction, instantly you can ask the analyst and you will get reply, you know, instantly. And you can develop your trading skill in real time through this virtual platform. And once you develop your trading skill, and I can also help you get funded from platforms. If you are interested how I train and coach traders with the live market, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description, and myself or one of my professional team member will help you and show you how you can be a successful trader and get funded. Or even if you are experienced trader, you have seen this is purely price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna enjoy peeping alongside with my other traders. So most welcome guys, join my fast growing trader community. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and have a nice weekend. Stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.